Hello everyone, this video shows how teleconsultation module works in DigiNetra, which is a truly paperless cloud-based EMR. Let's have a look at the patient user interface. The patient can register using his or her mobile number and by filling in the required information. On confirming the OTP, registration is complete. The same details can be used for logging in later at any point in time. After logging in, they can click on the new consultation option in the dashboard to create a new consultation. They can pay the relevant fees and then enter the details as required. The payment gateway can be set as per the preference of the owner of the module. This is how the payment is done. They can use their credit card, debit card, or the net banking. Here we are just showing a test payment that is being done. Once it is completed, they will be taken to a screen where they'll be entering their information regarding the complaints that they have. They can fill in the complaints, past history, whether they have got any drug allergy, whether they are diabetic, known case of glaucoma or hypertensive. If any of the fields are not applicable to them, they can just opt to fill in an A, as in this case of past history, and then they can choose to upload the images of the eye if they have already taken, so that they can expect a quicker reply from the doctor. So once that is done, they click on submit and the doctor is immediately notified about this particular consultation. Alternatively, they can opt for a video call with the doctor by sending in a request. The doctor is immediately notified via SMS and email regarding the request, and they can log out and wait for the reply of the doctor. Now let's have a look at the doctor's user interface. The doctor can log in using the credentials given to him, and then they can see the name of the patient in the dashboard and view all the details entered by the patient, including the images, if any, uploaded. They will be seen here. If the images are good enough for the doctor to decide the diagnosis and give a treatment accordingly, then he can opt to fill in the details of the diagnosis and generate a report without going for a video call. So he can fill in the diagnosis. There is ICD coding for the diagnosis, and enter in the comments, advice, and the prescription of the medication needed. So they can enter in the advice needed and the prescription, so any of the drugs and how frequently it has to be administered and for how many days. All this will be seen to the patient in their dashboard. Once the doctor hits save, the patient is immediately notified about the generation of the report via SMS and email. If the doctor is not sure about the diagnosis and needs a video call to assess further and confirm the diagnosis, he can opt to make a video call. If he is very sure that the patient is available right away, he can directly initiate the call, or else he can opt to schedule the call so that the patient is free at that point in time using the scheduling feature. In both the cases, the patient is notified accordingly. If the patient logs into their dashboard, they'll be able to see such a message regarding the scheduled call, and they can opt to either accept or deny that particular request. If they do accept it, the admin is notified accordingly. Based on this, the doctor can initiate the video call. The patient is notified immediately via an SMS containing the link to join the call. Once the patient joins the call, the video is visible to the doctor and vice versa. The doctor or the patient can opt to disconnect the call once the examination is completed. Thank you. If you need any more information, please feel free to contact us.